Today you get a special chance to meet and talk with me. If you ask, I might even give you some tips on surfing or cheerleading. Come to the beach to see me. See you there. Wait, what? There's a chance to see Kendrick, the best surfer ever? I've got to go check it out. I need to polish my surfing skills. And I wonder if Joss has any tips for me. Well, what am I waiting for? Just be sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Okay, I'm going to go to the beach. If I go fast, I might make it there in 20 minutes. Where's Joss? Oh, there she is. And it looks like no one's there. Looks like Joss is in a tangle, looking for stuff in her box. I'm gonna see if I can help her.
Let's take a look at the box first. It says American Girl and Girl of the Year 2020.
Now on the bottom it says Kendrick, and she's sitting right here with her book.
The whole box looks like sunset color, a gradient from blue to orange and yellow is in between. Let's take off the lid and see her inside.
Here's a look. Now let's get her out of the box. This is Kendrick. How about we look at her facial features first? She has the Joss mold feather eyebrows, and she also has brown eyes that open and close.
So the Joss mold is a Josefina and a classic mold molded together.
If we look at her ear, we can see that there's a hole that's right at the ear canal so we can place the hearing aid inside. Joss also has a light skin tone. And now let's take a look at her hair. Let's take the hairnet off. Let's loosen up her hair. Take a look. She has long layered brown hair. Wow, and there's also sun-streaked highlights in it. If we turn to the right side, we can see she has a twist side pony. And we can also see that she's a right part. Let's take a look at her outfit. Why not? What's she wearing on the outside?
She's wearing a hoodie that's white.
And there's also light blue sleeves. Take a look, and in the front there's also the zipper, there's a star. If we take a look, there are also decorations. There's a rainbow iridescent wave over here, and we look on the sleeves, there are also waves too. Ooh, look how pretty. If we turn to the back, we can see she has a hood. It's also light blue colored. Let's take off the jacket. Take a look at what she has on underneath.
She's wearing a swimsuit.
Look, there are also triangles, diagonal lines, and then look at it, they're all in this blue color. The background color is pink color. Hey, why don't I feel it? Ooh, feels a bit elasticy. Let's take a look at the back. It seems like you just pull it on. I'm gonna see her back. What she has on the bottom is shorts. They're denim. We can see there are 3 buttons, they're silver over here. There are also gold embroidered details here too. There are belt loops, and there's also a pocket. Looks like you can place a little tiny thing, but not so much. And there's also a coin pocket over here too. Let's take a look on the other side.
She has lime green and magenta details.
They look like these little diamonds, right? And if we look over here, there's also a pocket. Let's take a look at the back. It looks like there's an elastic waistband. And if we look on the bottom of her shorts, we can see they're cuffed. Let's take a look at her shoes. What shoes are these, Wyandoll?
They're flip-flops.
And they're coral colored. How do you separate the big toe and the second toe? There's this loop over here. It's plastic. Here's a look on the side. Let's take a look at the back. There's a heel over here, and this is a loop for it. If we look on the bottom, we can see she has a plastic outer sole.
Let's take a look at what came with her.
Where do we start? Wyandoll, do you want to look?
Let's look at this box here.
It's in this mint color. And look, it says American Girl on it. Over here you can open it.
Let's open it up.
Oh look, it's her hearing aids. And something else is inside. Looks like she has 2 hearing aids, one for backup. Looks like it's clear colored, and then on the back part, it's all blue. There's also this molded part they can put into her ear. Wyandoll, what is this?
A brush.
It's black colored, and there's also plastic bristles.
It's very flexible.
Yeah, you're right. It's like rubber. We can probably use it to clean the hearing aids. I wonder if there's instructions. Do you think there is?
Yeah, there is.
Let's take a look. It says, hearing aid only fits in doll's right ear. And then here's a detailed part showing how you put it in.
I think you just slide it into her ear.
We're going to try that later. Let's take a look. What's this bag here? Oh, looks like it's her underwear. So then when you change her outfit, you can place this on. And last of all is Joss the book. Here's a look at the cover. Looks like Joss is on her surfboard. Here's a look at the spine. And then if you're wondering, the back. Let's take a look at the pictures too. I see a picture. Okay, now let's place the hearing aid inside Joss's ear. And now it's time to place in my hearing aid. Why not help me? Here's what it looks like. Wow, looks pretty cool. And now I have something other. I'm gonna go get it. Ooh, what do we have here? It's Joss's accessories. There's a picture in the middle showing everything, and it says scroll the year 2020 here. Let's open it up. What's this? Here are Joss's accessories. What do we take a look at first, Wyandoll? How's the key? Here's a look. You can see that there's a silver key over here, and it also has an ocean on it.
I think it's made of metal.
That's metal. There's also this ring here that attaches it to this tassel. It's in this suede, it feels like suede. What are these?
Surf Sister bracelets.
Let's take a look at one of them. This one's beaded and looks like it's blue colored. It's also held together by elastic.
It's very stretchy.
The other one is cord and there are 3 colors. It looks like they're braided together. There's like orange, green, and blue color. If we look over here, it's held together by this clasp that's metal, and then there's also a charm over here. It shows the American Girl logo. This looks like a membership card. It says Shine Athletics. membership card, and Joss Kendrick with a barcode. And there's also a starburst for its background. If we take a look at the back, it says, present this card each time you enter the gym. There's also a star over here that looks like a shooting star. Feels bendy like a card. This looks like a blue phone case cover. It's also like flexible. And what's this, Windall?
I think it's somewhere where you put the doll's hand in.
Like a handle. What do you place inside, Windall?
The actual phone.
It's over here.
It's all black colored.
There's also the screen over here that's clear. We can also see there's some stuff over here. If we open up the back cover, we can see inside. What do we place inside?
The screen.
Look. It says 10/14 Friday and then a lock. Looks like a sunset in the back. There's also 90% battery. I wonder if it's a reversible one. It is. Looks like a beach scene, and there are also different apps. Which side do you want to place inside?
How about the other side?
This one?
Yeah.
There's a look. Swipe. Okay, I unlocked it. Let's place it in the phone cover. Okay, here it is. This is what it looks like. Wow. If we look on the top, we can see there are 3 $1 bills.
Wow, they look so real.
Yeah, and they're also paper. Here's a look at the back. What do we see over there?
It's a notebook.
What do you see on it? I think it's a beach scene. And there are also palm trees, and they're in this pretty color. The spine's a light blue color. And here's a look at the back. I wonder what's inside. Ooh, I see some stuff. Looks like notes by, I guess, Joss? Wow, they're really colorful. And then the other ones are all paper and they're all blank. We have ombre sunglasses. The frames are blue. And what are the lenses? I know.
They all look ombre, like there's blue all the way to pink.
Just like her box theme. If we open the legs, here's a look. Last of all, we have this bag. It looks like it's woven. Look at all the colors. What's the handle, Windall? Do you know?
It's blue colored.
And it looks like twisted cord. There's these tassels over here.
Let's open it up.
Looks very spacious. Let's see if we can place anything inside. How about the notebook? Membership card. Maybe the keys. And the money too. I think that's it. Okay, let's see what Joss looks like with these items on. Let's place the bracelets on first. Wow, it looks so pretty. Let's place this bag on too. And then for this hand, we can place the phone on. And for the finishing touch, we're going to place her sunglasses on her. Let's see. Looks like the hearing aid, we need to remove it. Let's adjust it. Wow, it looks so cool. And look, wow, the tint's really pretty. Oh, it looks like it's in the sunset really. Where's my phone? Oh, here it is. I'm going to take a selfie. Perfect background. Click. Who's that over there?
Oh, it's Kira. She wants to talk with you.
Hi, Joss. I'm Kira and I'm one of your biggest fans. Do you have any tips on surfing? Oh, I do. Let me just finish this photo shoot first. Anyway, everyone, be sure to stay tuned for more videos. And don't forget to subscribe and like. I'll see you next time. Bye!